Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This meditation is your 7-minute alignment reset, a chance to tune your mind, body, and energy to the frequency of peace and effortless flow. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Feel your body settle into the present moment. Let your thoughts soften. Imagine roots anchoring you into the earth, steady, strong, unshakable. You are here now. With each inhale, draw in calm. With each exhale, release tension. Feel your energy begin to balance, a gentle rhythm between stillness and motion. You are breathing yourself into harmony. Now imagine a soft blue frequency surrounding you. It hums, it vibrates, it resonates with peace. Your thoughts quiet, your body relaxes. You are in perfect alignment with the flow of universal energy. As your vibration rises, feel light expanding from your heart. You are connected to everything. Each breath, each heartbeat, each star repeats silently. I am peace. I am flow. I am light. Rest now in this stillness. Let your energy settle, your mind quieten. You are balanced, aligned, whole. Stay here as long as you wish, in peace, in flow, in harmony. Take a gentle breath in and slowly return to the world. Carry this harmony with you. This is Soul Sanctuary.